let's dig in. I'm going for these pears. I really had a taste for some pear. Get a little bit of everything in that bite. So refreshing. Add a little bit more cinnamon. As you saw in the earlier clips, I added canned pears. I also added mangoes and pineapple tidbits, little small pieces, as well as mandarin oranges. I decided to do a budget fruit salad using canned fruits. Given the times that we're in, sometimes you can't get too fresh fruit, so canned fruit is always an option. I like to get mine and stick them in the freezer for a little bit just to give them a nice little chill, and then add them into a fruit salad as I did here. I like to leave the liquid because it just gives you some extra added fruit juice to your little fruit salad. I also like to add in my own little seasonings. I love doing cinnamon and nutmeg on especially pears. It's really refreshing, very delicious, and I got these from my local dollar store. Let's take a sip. That juice is really delicious. Pear juice, pineapple juice, pear juice, pineapple juice, mango juice, and then I actually drained the juice from the mandarin oranges because I didn't want orange juice. And the cinnamon and the nutmeg add like a nice little flavoring to it. Mango, mandarin oranges, pineapple tidbits, pear. Let's take a sip. I am by no means going to finish all of this fruit. I just thought that it would be a cool idea to try a little budget fruit salad with you all from canned fruits that I found at my local dollar store. Sometimes you can't get fresh fruit, but canned fruit is always a great option, just so that you can make sure that you're getting your fruits in. Let me know in the comments what your favorite canned fruits are. Either way, if you made it this far in the video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're interested in my content. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted for when I drop my next video. Definitely be sure to check out the description below for this video so that you can see about ways to support the channel. Shout out to our fruit friends out there. Hey y'all. So until our next video, remember